In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate a campaign in Mailchimp. Replicating a campaign is a fantastic way to save time by reusing a previous email design and its accompanying settings, ensuring you maintain consistency and efficiency in your email marketing efforts. Whether you're looking to duplicate an entire campaign for a different audience or simply want to build from a successful past template, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, let's get you started by heading over to Mailchimp's website and logging into your account. You'll want to make sure you have your login details at hand to avoid any delays. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar of the Mailchimp dashboard. Here, click on the section labeled Campaigns. A drop-down will appear and you'll need to select all campaigns to proceed. Now you should be able to see a comprehensive list of all your past email campaigns. It's like a walk down memory lane with all your previous marketing endeavors lined up. Scanning through this list, you're bound to come across that campaign you had mind to replicate. If the list is extensive and you're struggling to find a particular one, don't worry. There's a handy search bar designed to quickly locate the campaign you're looking for. Once you've identified the campaign you want to duplicate, hover your cursor over it. This will reveal additional options. On the right hand side of the campaign, you'll notice a drop down menu. Clicking this drop down will offer you several actions you can take with your campaign. From this menu, select Replicate. By choosing to replicate, Mailchimp will create an exact copy of the selected campaign. This not only includes the design, but all the settings as well, which can be incredibly useful if the campaign was already optimized for success. The next step is to make sure you can easily differentiate between the original and the duplicate. To do this, you'll want to edit the campaign name. Simply click on Edit Title and Site icon and give your duplicated campaign a new distinct name. This simple change keeps your workspace organized and prevents any accidental mix-ups later on. Finally, once you're satisfied with the title and any other changes you might wish to make, click on Save. At this point, you have the flexibility to publish your campaign immediately or opt to finish and send it out at a later time when you're fully ready. And there you have it, a step-by-step process for replicating a campaign in Mailchimp. By repeating these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your email marketing campaigns and ensure a consistent approach in reaching your audience. Be sure to save this tutorial for future reference, and as always, happy emailing.